air process, the shingle has actually started to rip. Alright, so got a little creasing happening here, right here, here. That's just from us having to manipulate the shingle. Now we got to put the nails back in these shingles above. So let's get this lifted. I mean, can we really even nail like this? I mean, it's kind of hard. You don't want to strike the shingle. Granular loss right here, just from the creasing. So I want y'all to pay attention to how gentle I just was, and yet we've still got creasing going at the top. Right here, 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 or a rip right here, creasing here, and all that for a non-compatible shingle, because this shingle is, I believe, discontinued. Not even done really, because now we need to seal these shingles, since we had to take them out. So I'll grab my caulk. You can get a better view of the creasing that has occurred here. See at the top here, here. Alright, let's seal these babies down. This one's already got new adhesive, so it should seal. But here, we don't have to do anything overboard, but we do need to that is our repair, ladies and gentlemen. We still believe that a full roof replacement is required in order to properly repair this loss. So that is it. I'll be sending this over to the homeowner and the adjuster. Thanks, y'all have a good day.